Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. So I'm super excited about today's video because not only is it a swatch video, but it's also a nail art video. I'm going to be showing you the new Nails Inc. Self-Made Mermaid Duo, and spoiler alert, it's amazing. So let's get into the swatches and then some art. Okay, first up we have Ocean Ever After, which I cannot say enough good things about, honestly. I am in love with this polish. I'm probably going to be wearing it non-stop. I can already basically tell you guys that this is going to show up in my monthly favorites. So there is one coat. As you can see, that covered extremely well. Obviously, you can see a teeny bit through to my nail line, but look at that coverage. That's like perfect. No streaks, no nothing, no like patchy spots. I have nothing but good things to say. I love this. It's kind of, again, it's called Oceans Ever After or Ocean Ever After. Yeah, Ocean Ever After. And it's just like perfectly named. It's the perfect color. It's like this gorgeous turquoise, but then it's got that green shimmer. So it's like when you're looking at the ocean and it kind of has that green tinge, but then the blue sky is like reflecting in it and it turns it all blue and gorgeous. And oh my goodness, I just love this. Like, I have a feeling I'm just gonna love this duo. I mean, it's called the Self-Made Mermaid Duo, and if you guys know me, I love things that are ocean related, so why wouldn't I love this? So there's one coat of Ocean Ever After, and I'm just gonna sit here and stare at it while the first coat dries. Going in for that second coat here, and I can already warn you guys that there are gonna be lots of pictures of this on my blog today because, like, you can probably already guess, I'm kind of obsessed. Plus, ocean-related things, like, we have a lot of spots in our house that are decorated ocean-inspired. So, I mean, I may or may not have had a fun walk around the house taking pictures. So, there it is, and it's a blue state, and now you got that green and blue showing through. It is just, it's something else. I definitely don't have anything like this in my collection that I remember anyway. And I love it. As you guys could see, let me show you real quick. This brush is like the perfect size. Like, it just fits on my nails so well. And it's curved, and I just love everything about it. Like, I have nothing but good things to say about this polish. So there's two coats, definitely at full coverage, and just look at that sparkle. Oh my. Next up, we have a more opalescent-like one, and this one is called Mermaid Parade. I will try to describe it. It's kind of going to be a hard one to describe because it is kind of like pearly, but it's got like a teal slash blue-green shimmer throughout, and then also in some lights, it picks up like a purpliness. Oh, there you go. There's the purple slash pink, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I was so afraid the camera wasn't going to pick it up, but it looks like it is. So as you can see, there's like a lot to this. It is a tad thinner than Ocean Ever After, but it is still gorgeous. It totally reminds you of like when you see the pearl and the clam, you see the pearl and the shells, or actually abalone shells. It really reminds you of like an abalone shell, and I love it. Also, there's that other shell. I think it's called like the fishtail. I'm not positive on that. I should probably look that up before I say it, but I already said it. Anyway, it's very iridescent is the right term. Yeah, I think iridescent is the right term. Okay, this is just a whole bunch of me questioning myself. But there is one coat before I say something else that I need to go Google. But oh my goodness, this is beautiful. So pretty. Now we're going to put on our second coat of Mermaid Parade. Now, this is my first time using Nails Inc., and I have to say, I am super impressed and kind of blown away. Like, I mean, just look at the brush. The way that applies, you can almost get it in one stroke. I was too busy just kind of looking at the brush, but I totally could have gotten that in one stroke. Like, it's just so stinking pretty. So there's two coats. It is still a little translucent near my nail line, although that feedback of that shimmer, I mean, you can't really tell. But I am going to go ahead and do a third coat and show it to you guys. But Oh my goodness. Now this one, you do have to be a little careful about streakiness. However, when it dries down, I feel like the streaks that somewhat do appear, like there's one over there that you guys can probably see. I feel like as it dries down, it starts to disappear, but I mean, realistically, I mean, look at that shimmer feedback. Like, you're not really gonna notice. It is just stunning. Apparently, this whole video is just gonna be me saying how much I love this polish. Apparently that's what it's gonna be. Now we're gonna try a third coat. Now this polish isn't even typically one that I would like gravitate towards or one that I would seek out to wear just because I mean, you guys know me, I'm more into super bold colors, not really pearly ones, but oh my goodness, this is just, it's something else. Like, there are no words for this duo, honestly. I am so beyond impressed. So there is 3 coats, as you could see. I mean, you could have easily gotten away with 2, but I feel like that third one just puts it over the edge. And look at that pinkish purplish shimmer. That is not like the camera misbehaving. That is actually what it looks like. It is just, I love it. How many times have I said that? Like, I feel like I have said that about both of these polishes so many times. So I will leave you there. Let's take a look at some photos, guys. Oh, I just love it. And here is your final look at the duo that I absolutely love. I think my personal favorite is Oceans Ever After, but I mean, they're both just amazing. So now onto some art. For this, I thought it'd be fun to do some mermaid art, so I am using a mermaid scale nail art vinyl from Snail Vinyls, and I'm just applying it to my nail after I've put on a quick dry top coat to ensure that it was dry. And as you can see, to make it stick on better, I've kind of just cut off the edges to make sure it is sticking to all the spots of my nails as best as I can. And now I'm going to dab on Ocean Ever After onto a makeup wedge sponge and just pat it on top of the vinyl just to give the mermaid scale look, I guess. And I find that it's easier doing it this way versus using the brush just because I feel like it gets in more places and it's not as messy. And yeah, so that is what I'm going to do until I'm happy with the coverage. And then I'm just going to peel off that vinyl. So let's just watch it happen. Now, as I did that, I noticed I pulled off a little bit of the edge polish, so I'm quickly just going to go back in with the dotting tool and touch that up to make it look all clean. And after that is done, it is time to go in with Ocean Ever After and add some dots to my empty nail and kind of start bigger and go smaller the further out that we get from the cuticle, just to give like a dot cure gradation like vibe with this gorgeous glittery polish that I am obsessed with. How many times can I say that in this video? I mean, emphasis on the obsessed because I am. And now we're just going to put on a quick top coat onto my ring finger because it is time that I add on a cute little starfish. As you can see, I'm struggling to pick it up because it is kind of large, but I'm using some tweezers, picking it up and placing it on my nail. This is not necessarily a practical nail charm. I forget where I got it, but I thought it would be cute to have a little starfish on my nail. And so that is what I'm going to apply on. Add a little pressure. Probably not going to last me long on my nail, so you could always skip the step or paint on a starfish if you want. And now it is time to put on top coat on all of my nails, and my nails are going to be ready. I am personally obsessed with this look. Again, I'm saying obsessed so many times, but that's truly how I feel about this mermaid duo and a mermaid nail art look, because if you guys know me, I love anything ocean related, and mermaids kind of fit into that category. So here is the final look at the nail art. I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches and the nail art part of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any requests for upcoming videos, be sure to let me know what those things are in the comments below. Also, if you want any links to read more about these polishes or anything, be sure to check out the description box. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!